Hey guys, I'm Rahul from Tech Review Pro, and in this video you will learn how to change alarm sound on your iPhone. So without any further delay, let's learn. In order to change alarm sound on your iPhone, you need to go to alarm settings. For that, first open Clock app. And when you open Clock app, you can see we are currently in World Clock tab. So you need to tap on Alarms tab here, and this will show all the alarms you have set up on this iPhone. Now here we get two options. You may either create a new alarm by tapping on this plus icon, or you may also modify the existing alarm. But first we are going to add a new alarm. For that we will tap on plus icon, and from here we may select the timing to which we want to set the alarm. Let's say this is the timing, and after that here you get the option for sound. So tap on sound, and this will provide you with option to select the alarm tone for your new alarm. So tap on any of these, and this will start playing a preview. So depending upon your preferences, you may select any of these that you like, and once you like, you will simply go back and this sound will be shown here. Now we are ready to save this alarm. So tap save, and this new alarm is set up with the sound of your preference. Now let's see how we can modify the existing alarm and change the alarm tone on iPhone. For that, tap on the alarm for which you want to change the alarm sound. So tap on this, and after that, to change the alarm sound on your iPhone, tap on sound, and from these various options you may select any of these. After that, go back and tap save, and this will change the alarm sound on your iPhone. So this is how you change alarm sound on your iPhone. And by the way, if you go to alarm here and then you see under sound, here you get various alarm sounds options that are by default. But if you want to create a custom alarm tone like this, then you may simply tap here to watch this video. Thanks for watching. I'm Rahul signing off, and I'll see you in the next video.